Hello everyone, this is your professor from Alin Rios, and the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to get into the Centro website. The Centro website is where you will be doing all of your homework. But first, let's go into Canvas, because in Canvas that's where you are going to find the instructions on how to get into Centro. So this is how your ACES page will look. Well, not exactly like this because this is mine, but when you're in your ACES uh, web page, locate My Courses tab, which is right there, and then locate your Spanish 2 link, which is, in my case, it's going to be the last one. Click on there, and your Canvas course will pop up. It's gonna pop up like a window in your computer screen, and this is how the course will look. Okay, now what about if your page did not show up? What shall I do now? Well, the reason if your Canvas course does not show up, it could be because your pop-up blocker in your browser is disconnected. So you have to enable pop-ups in your browser so the Canvas course will show up. So once you do that, go back to ACES, click on your intermediate Spanish link, and it should appear with no problems. Okay, so we're going back into the Canvas homepage for your course, and the first thing you want to do is go into course files right there. You click on there, and that's when your registration for Centro uh, will be. I apologize that I put Kia there, but it is the same. So once you click on course files, you'll see the first link is Centro registration instruction for 2312. It's a document, okay? You're gonna click on there and you're gonna download that document to your computer. It's going to look like something like this one. This is a abbreviated version of your instructions, and you're gonna see the course and the course code and the book, punto y aparte and punto y aparte online manual. So locate your course code, which is going to be right there, and either write it down or copy and paste. Okay, the next step is to set up your account. Once you download the registration instruction, if you're a new student, you will need to create a new Centro account, and then you will then enter the book key and course code. The book key is a key, a set of letters and numbers that you're going to find if when you buy your books at the bookstore. The course code is what we saw on the registration instruction. But if you already took Spanish 1411, 1412, or 2311, you more than likely already have a Kia account, which is the other website. So you have a Kia account and your account is still active, more than likely you can use it to log into Centro. What's going to happen is that Kia will then direct you to the other website. So if you have a Kia account, like I said, if you took 1411, 1412, and 2311, you are already familiar with this website. So all you do is just put your username and password, click go, and it will direct you to Centro. So when you go in there and you go into the student workstation, Then you can add your book key or course code here, and maybe it will look like something like this. This is, of course, this is my account as a student, so that's the book that we use for 2311 and 1411 and 1412, and this is the 2312 right there. So what you do is you open the book, and then boom, another window will pop up, and it will direct you to Centro. All right. Now, if you do not have an account with Kia, then you will have to go to this website and follow the registration instructions you downloaded from Canvas. So this is how the Centro website looks like. As you can see, I have the same username and password that I use for Kia, because they both belong to the same publisher. That's why you can do this. So you create an account, and once you put your book key or course code in this little box here, you will have your workstation with the Punto y Aparte textbook and the Punto y Aparte online manual, right? And this is how your workstation will look like. It is slightly different than Kia, but it's basically the same thing. Now you can click there to either open your ebook and workbook. And this is how it looks like. This is the textbook right here, and if you click on Manual de Actividades, then you will be opening the workbook. And how to get into your assignment list. How do I know what should I do, what I shouldn't do? Then you have to click on My Tools. And then once this little menu opens here, you're going to click on Assignment List, and you will see the list of the assignments that you need to do for this course. All right, so you are set to go. I will do another tutorial on how to get to your assignments as the semester progresses. And if you still have any questions, please send me a message through Canvas or through my email, arius120@alamo.edu. I'll be seeing you around. And like I said, if you have any questions, just don't hesitate on contacting me.